Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to temporarily lock Wells Fargo debit card in app. So to get started with a easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily temporarily lock your Wells Fargo debit card in your app. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Wells Fargo mobile app and log in into your account. So make sure you launch, then once you launch the app, sign in with your username and password, which is very important. And the next step is to access the control or to access the card controls. So from the home screen, tap the menu or the more button, then choose the card control or manage card. Then to view all your linked card, select the debit card you want to lock. Then after that, tap on the specific debit card you wish to manage, and you will see a various control including digital wallet access and international use. So the next thing to do is to toggle the toggle the turn card off switch. So switch your card to off, then this suspend the new purchases, ATM withdrawals and the digital wallet transaction. Your physical card is now paused instantly until you decide to turn it on, and that's it. So the card remains off until you toggle it on back again, and when you are ready to use the card again, simply revisit the card control and toggle it back on. And that's how you can easily temporarily lock Wells Fargo debit card in the app. Hope you find the video much helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.